family, welcome back to my channel. My channel is about faith, education, and lifestyle. Today, I have a visitor with me. We're going to be sharing some ideas. It's honestly going to be a random talk. We're just going to be throwing questions to each other. And I don't know, but we shall see how far we go with that. But before we move on into our video, I'm going to let her introduce herself and we'll move on to what we have for you guys today.
Hi guys, I'm Caroline and it's a pleasure meeting you guys all, and I hope you guys enjoy the video and make sure you subscribe and like, share, and all that good stuff.
That's a good job. That's my friend. I know if you follow me on Instagram, you must have seen that that's my twin sister. So either one, you don't worry about that. Just stay with whichever one fits you better. Without taking much of your time, let's go ahead and move into the video. But before we do that, please, if you are new to my channel or you have been here before but you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and become a family member. Thank you so much for subscribing. So I'm going to be first.
Okay.
And I'm going to ask you questions. It's just a grass talk, in general. Random question. We did not prepare which question to ask each other. However, whatever that is being asked, you are obligated to answer the question. You have no choice. The same thing goes to me.
Okay.
All right, Caroline. First question for you. How do you feel? Why is she already making her face like that? Okay, wait. I don't know why you're already making that face.
Because I don't trust your question.
Okay, now you're making me change my question before I even ask.
No, don't change it. Go ahead.
Okay, all right. Are you sure you're going to answer the question? Because you must answer the question as soon as, if I speak it out, you must answer it.
You want to tell me first?
No, what am I telling you? Okay, you want to go first?
No, I don't want to go first.
Okay, I'm going to make one very simple question. How do you feel about being a Christian?
I think it's a great thing to be a Christian, to know the ways of the Lord and to walk according to His will. So if you're not a Christian out there, give your life to Christ.
You heard that?
Because He's the way, the truth, and the life, and you will never regret it in your life. Yes.
In Jesus' name.
Amen.
That's a whole preaching already. Okay, all right.
Okay. So Rosa, how you feel about me?
Wow. In which aspect? No, let's be specific.
No, in general.
You've been wanting to find out. I think she's using me.
No.
You've been wanting to find out about my feelings towards you, Carla. I don't like it. Anyways, I'm gonna fulfill me because how do I feel about you? I feel really good about you. I love to have you. I'm glad to have you as a friend, as a confidant, as a sister. Though I'm not gonna lie, honestly, whoa, you can give me a hard time. Sometimes I just feel like beating you up, but I mean that's what friends are for. But anyway. I feel good about you. I love you, so I mean, what else? That's okay.
Don't camera. Don't do that on camera.
Anyway, but yeah, I love you. You didn't know that? Is that new?
I mean, I just wanted to know,
Okay, I'm not.
Even though you didn't elaborate.
I'm not going because that's only one question. How much do you want me to elaborate a question? It's not a chapter. It's just a question. Like It doesn't have to be a paragraph. Does it? No. Thank you. My next question, do you have preference when it comes to dating, like relationship-wise? And I'm talking about like country-wise. Like, do you have a preference or you are open-minded or open to any person as long as he is, I don't know, and does it matter if the person is a Christian or no?
To be honest, ever since I moved to the US, I don't care about like country, like where you're from. You can be from Ivory Coast, Uganda, anywhere. Yeah, I don't discriminate. Even though I love Cameroonians, but most importantly, I really want to get married to a Christian, like a guy that goes to the same church or has the same beliefs as me. Yeah, that would be my ideal man. But it doesn't matter where you're from. You can be from anywhere around the world. Yeah, as long as you a Christian, you follow God's ways, then yeah, you're the perfect match for me. So what do you look for in a friend?
What do I look for?
Yeah.
That's a deep question right there, because there are a lot of things I will look for. And by the way, family, honestly, there is a background noise that I might not be able to, filter out, edit, because there is some type of work going on, but I really needed to do this video right now. So you guys don't mind the noise and just focus on this. Okay, back to our topic. What do I look for in a friend? Okay, I look for someone that I can look up to be honest. I look for in a friend, I expect my friend to always have, she might not always have the right input, but it's someone that I can really talk to and can give me the idea, the understanding and all that. I don't want to have a friend that whenever I present a situation to them, it's like, okay, I mean, it's your life. Like, that's not a friend to me. I look for somebody that I can trust, somebody that is reliable, is confident enough that I can talk to about anything and at any time, and someone that can teach me and that can help me grow in the ways of God, that helps me edify myself and continue to grow on the things of God, and a lot more. But for now, like, I think those are the main things I would say. Yeah. And thank you for asking that question, because you already know from now what I'm expecting to get from you.
Wait. I'm not ready for the question.
Okay, what do you mean you're not ready? You better be ready. Next question. My next question for you is, I was talking to someone about something not long ago, but the person was like, no, that's weird. I never heard that before, and that. Let me actually find out from you. Is maybe guys, is it her face? Something else? Anyway, so have you ever heard, though people are different, all right, but maybe you will have heard or you will have read, most people do get blooded when they are about to be on their period. Is that true or no?
Yeah, it's true. Personally, for me, when I'm about to have my period, I get bloated on my stomach. Like, my belly gets a little bit, I have like a little pouch, and then I have soreness, like my boobs are very sore. And me personally, my fingers, they get thick.
Oh, yeah, okay. They get mine get a little bit brighter.
Yeah, no, mine gets really fat. That's how I know that. Yeah, I'm about to.
You're about to get there.
Yeah, and I get moody too. So.
Okay, and I get very hungry. I just keep on in. Okay, that makes me feel better, because I thought I was losing my mind, because I needed to make sure it wasn't on me. But I know I have heard, and I have heard that from other people before, but someone made me feel like maybe I wasn't on the right path. What other question do you have for me? And I think we're gonna make it short, but that's because we didn't really plan it, and we don't have the question. But we're gonna make another video like that. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, then we can make another one with more questions longer, and you guys can even request on which question you would like us to ask each other.
Comment down below the question that you guys want to know, to find out from both of us.
I think she's taking over my YouTube channel, but that's okay, just for today. Okay, what question do you have for me?
I know, like, how is it like meeting people from, I know I'm not your only friend, and I'm from Cameroon, and how is it like, do you differentiate between, like, when you meet other people from other countries, because we are like, you're very diverse, and is that a different when you get to encounter people from different nationalities? Or
but like, when you talk about differences, are you referring to like culture wise, personality,
like all that in general?
To be honest, I don't know. Like, ever since I left my country and I came to the US, most of my friends that I ever had were actually from Nigeria. So this is actually, you were the very first person after my college and all that that I know, that I have as a friend that is not from Nigeria. And actually, I had one more. That's my very good friend. That's Janet. She's from Angola. But then I think the personality is not different based on the countries they are coming from. The personalities are just different based on who they are themselves as person. Because whoever I'm talking to, her personality must be, the person might be from Nigeria, but she might have the similarities when it comes to personality with someone from my country or from Cameroon or any other country. But when it comes to culture-wise, there is a lot of, they have a lot of differences. Like, especially comparing my country and Nigeria, like, I believe everything is different when it comes to culture. Because we don't really have culture. And then the food, and one thing I know, like, the biggest thing I have encountered, like, relating to my country in Nigeria, is the passion when it comes to school. Like they are very intelligent, they are very smart. That's one thing I have noticed about Nigerian students, especially all the Nigerian students I came across when I was in college. That's comparing that to my country or other countries, like the friends that I have from other countries. It might be a little bit different, though they might still be smart, but I feel like my Nigerian friends, they have a different level of passion when it comes to, you know, studies and honors. So I don't know, that's what I would say. And you have any other
you guys
question?
can just tell she loves Nigerian, right?
Oh no, that's not what I said. That's not what I meant either.
No, it's your turn.
I mean,
I'm
okay.
gonna
I guess we can just stop here
Yeah.
because those are enough questions for now. Do you guys want more questions? You want to know more? Then make sure to leave it down there. And we're going to stop here. But do not forget, if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed, or you have been here but you haven't subscribed, please make sure to click the subscribe button and become a family member. Thank you so much for watching us. Thank you so much for stopping by, for subscribing. I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.